Buti nakarating na yun. Ay, sibilisasyon mo. Ay, ang awa niya kaya. Medyo malamig tapit. Salamat po. Ito na head ko. Bunga. Pasama si Mikey. With Mikey. Universe. Asawa niya, first cousin namin. Oo.
Gandeng! Wow!
Sabay siya palang anak mo nun, ano? Yun na, batang lalaki ba si Ian?
Si Ian pa
God bless you, Ian. You know what? I'm Auntie Jackie.
Ay, kilala ko ba na? Kilala ko.
Yeah, and your
Oh, si
dad, when he was
Adrian.
single?
You know,
Oh
this
my
is the first
God.
time.
God bless you too. Mga pamangkin ko sila. Yung lola nila at saka si tatay, magkapatid. Kaya pinira sila.
Oh, you say hi to Tita.
First cousin. Eto, first cousin ko. Ay, God bless you.
So, nagkita rin sila.
Alaga ako to.
Sa bahay sila.
Even after school. Even after
There's Micah.
This is Adrian, Janela, Adrian,
And Adrian here. Ellie, this is the pogi pa. Si Adrian.
You know, on your parents' wedding, my daughter is the flower girl.
Ang tagal.
Long time ago. Yeah. Your Lola and my dad are brothers. My dad is the oldest among the 11 children.
Ay, nakarating din sila. Yay!
Uncle De kanya, Uncle De. Second cousin.
Yes, well, hold on, baby. What do you want? You play your toys.
Yeah, he's your second cousin.
Si Aubrey nga, ano mo si Aubrey? He wants to play. Okay. I know, right? I know, right?
Sabi mo ang pamilya mo. Buli yun ang kitin eh. Adjusted mo rin ang kitin. Ay, magsina pala. Thank you.
Kapiraso lang kinain ni Aubrey.
Ano yan? That's Mama's favorite song before.
Mga anak.
Ang pangalan ni Mama, Johnny. Ay, ano? Nung high school ako, palagi nang pinapakita niya. Ano pa nung ka?
A few moments later.
Hi! Oh, Kuya. Kuya Ala.
Everybody. Hi,
Yan, wala, sige, pasok.
Hello.
Yan ang mga San Franciscos. Mga San Francisco. Bless Micah. Wow, Mr. Pogi San Francisco.
Sige.
Ay, bango.
Kumusta kayo?
Happy Thanksgiving, JP.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Man.
Hello, Joanna. Hello. Tahimik yun. Hi, Arlene. Ay, ko ng tepay kain. Kasi tepay kain cake.
Wait, what?
Bakit nilos ko kasi eh.
Oh, si Madam nakarating na rin.
Siyempre.
Paano naman ako?
Ay. Alisin ko muna si sis ko.
May tsinelas? Baka madulas kasi, Mami. Huwag ka na madulas yung sahig.
Ha?
Madulas yan.
Eh, dito.
Ay, diyan ka lang maglalakad.
Matutulog ka na, JP?
May pato mo.
Matudtod kayo dito.
Hello,
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby. My name is Joanna. Ano ba? Oh?
Walang ilaw yung ano mo.
Nano? Ay, Christmas tree. What happened?
Wala pa.
Dito lang sa floor. Ilawin ko pala. Angelic, turn on the Christmas tree. Hello? Oh, yeah. Hi. Hello, kapitbahay. Come on in. Come on in. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. The neighbor. Hello. Yeah. Hello, the neighbors. The Pineda family. Hi, Pineda family.
Chance and Graylin. Julia. Hi, nice to meet you guys. Come on in.
Come on in. Help us with some food.
Alright.
Oh.
Christmas tree is up already. That's
Yes.
awesome. Come on.
Where's James?
Hey, how are you?
James here.
Where's Julia?
Right here.
My neighbor.
Hi, Julia.
How are you
James,
guys?
mommy.
Good.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mom. Welcome.
Yeah.
Here you guys go. It's cold. Sorry.
Thanks.
Mom. Yeah.
Happy New Year. Thank you.
Very nice.
Tingnan mo yung aso nila. Alam din na. Naka-cave.
Come on in.
Come on in, Sam. Come on.
Kids,
Oh, there
help
you go.
yourself,
The outfit.
kids.
Those are awesome.
Yeah.
Hi.
We have
Brian?
we have Filipino foods here.
That's okay.
Hope you like it.
No, we're just.
Oh.
We have more
Yeah.
fries.
Yeah.
Haven't eaten yet. We've just started cooking over there, so we're just coming to say hello and come on by.
Yeah.
You guys are moved in.
Yes.
The Christmas is up. It's awesome. Look at all the Christmas.
Christmas is up already.
Oh yes,
Thanks,
I
bro.
know.
No, thank you. No problem. I got some more chips outside.
Baby, sa desserts.
Yeah, we're
Later.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Busy. Yeah, Busy is here. Oh no. Oh, no more. Kausap. The grill. AJ, turn off the grill. It's so smoke. Babe, make sure he's not. Wait. Ay, matapon.
Yeah.
Go, get him inside. Get him inside.
Hey. Go.
What happened to your finger? Sus ko, gustong bini-baby.
Gusto niya?
Gusto niya bini-baby.
Oo, gusto niya. Ilan months na to? Mag-1 year pa lang.
Birthday.
Mag-1 year yun.
Papagod sa likod to.
Oh, asma pa. Oh. What? You're gonna buy your ball.
Sabi pa natin taganin.
Ba't naman yung tugtog? Ay, ba't yung tugtog? Busy. Amoy boomer ka kasi.
Sa maraming dalan, kilala niya.
Naamoy niya si boomer.
Ganyan talaga yan.
Ayan na naman dyan.
Balikin kayo orang mo.
No, sure.
Balikin kayo yung bedo.
Yeah, that's sure.
Kapag ba kasi mo?
Oh, yeah.
16. today.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna carry you.
Bye, Doctor Strange.
Brad Pitt.
Brad Pitt. Okay, okay.
Bye, everyone. Happy Thanksgiving.
Bye. Thank you.
Drive safe, Michael, okay?
Three back home. Okay,
Ano
where's back
Kenny
home?
kaming birthday?
Wonderful. Did you guys FaceTime?
First week end of December.
Hey, don't worry. You're on FaceTime. Look, don't worry about that.
There you go.
Oh no! I got a YouTube
Oh,
channel.
she's got it.
Oh goodness. No worries.
YouTube channel.
Oh. Hey, that's
Next time you take your money.
Oh goodness.
Don't worry, I'm not standing either.
Wala ka nang magagawa, mami.
Amin na lang ako sa inyo, no?
Salamat po. Salamat po.
Hoy,
Ana.
taas sa akin ang anak mo.
Yung vlogging ha. Ganyan ang ginagawa nyo sa work, JP. Wala mo, kaya mo, art. Oo. Ayos yun.
Oh, ganun pala yan. Oh.
Balang surang man.
Nag-ahal.
JP,
Ah.
alagang 10 bucks magbibenta mong 100, no?
Mahal yan.
Ako pag binili mo to.
Sa amin, $5 yung
Oh, $5 siya.
$5 isa. Ito
Shucks.
$5 yun.
Yeah, with chocolate and ano lang.
Yan.
This one's like $5.
Angelic, why you don't like
Oh man,
vlog?
gagawa ko.
Online pa.
Luto na rin sa lahat ng binyagi ng kahit. Kaliping bali.
Niluto ko na lang.
Nak, professional.
No.
Ang ganda ng mga spoons mo. Ang galing yung spoons mo na yan.
Yung galon. Gold spoons.
Oh. Oh.
If you guys wanna do pieces, just
Ano yan?
chocolate.
Ito tapos na.
Aray ko. So expensive. video ko. Ang konti.
Nilalagyan kong bumila kaso
Makasaksak yan.
baka yun hindi eh.
Pala eh.
Ang galing ko lang bumila doon.
Pang-apat na bumbilya na. Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Ilalagay ng
pamilya na hindi nakasabi.
Kaya
Kaya pala kanina pa siya, 10 hours na.
Ang dami to.
Hindi ka na ka ng siman.
Mother?
Kaya ikaw. You can work in bees.
Ayan o, naka-blue silang pants. Binackground ko sila. Pinadinner namin eh. After the air show. Sila yan, di ba? Blue Angels and the support. Yung black sa baba. Ground support. Ayun sila eh.
King Siman, ikang tagalinis.
Yan, ganda naman eh. Ibang tayo eh, no? Ang yabang ng tayo eh, no? Talagang physically, no? Mentally.
Uminom na ng gamot. Bait mo. Ay, yung mga desserts. Sus ko, ang dami pang dessert.
Dami ayusin mo
Ang
yan.
dami.
Yan yung pinagkain ng pamilya.
So, ang sweldo ng military, every first
Yun ang lahat yan nagka.